TikTok reached the billion mark for monthly active users in 2021, building on its early notoriety as viewers were drawn to its light, brief content. Given that 37% of TikTok users in the US make $100,000 or more a year, this popularity boom suggests that TikTok is rich with business prospects. Brands are coming up with innovative and genuine ways to position and sell their goods or services directly to TikTok audiences, from the TikTok made by it trend to committed subcultures like BookTok. You can do it, too, by creating exciting and practical short movies that speak directly to your audience interests. But how do you get started? We go down several methods for making money on TikTok in this article. 1. Run TikTok ads. Approximately 43% of TikTok users are between 18 and 24. Because of this, TikTok is a solid advertising option for companies looking to promote to Generation Z. TikTok advertisements provide easy-to-use, practical tools to help you reach millions of users with your advertising. Each ad format allows you to tailor your targeting based on age, geography, interests, and other variables, albeit they differ by region. You can choose one or a few versions depending on what suits your brand the best. The most popular types of TikTok ads include video and feed. Show up on the For You page of users of TikTok who match your targeted criteria. Brand takeover. This enables your advertisement to fill the entire screen temporarily. After that, a video ad appears in feed. Make interesting challenges using hashtags to promote user-generated content. These tasks can be found in TikTok's discovery area. Only managed brands cooperating with TikTok sales agents are eligible for this option. You can experiment with several additional TikTok ad formats, but remember that some are only accessible to specific account categories. 2. Collect tips or donations. A tipping function that TikTok has created enables a small group of creators to make money from tips and donations. This tool allows fans to express their appreciation to their favorite creators. Viewers can contribute virtual gifts and monies to creators through video gifts. Some creators can receive presents while live streaming. Donations can be exchanged for diamonds, which is TikTok's virtual money. Diamonds can be exchanged for real money once you have accumulated enough. 3. Collaborate with a creator. According to the most recent Sprout Social Index, brand creator content collaborations are valued by 28% of millennials and 33% of Gen Z. TikTok's thriving community of content producers makes it an excellent platform for working with influential people who have large, loyal followings. The secret is to work with the proper creators who can represent your brand to their audience in an authentic way, as creator-made branded content has an engagement rate that is 83% higher. You may contact network content creators on TikTok's creator marketplace. You can locate influencers and launch campaigns with them in a few simple steps. Get artists based on your sector, financial constraints, and company objectives. You can also find detailed performance and viewership numbers for data-driven decision-making. 4. Try affiliate marketing. Creators and other companies can advertise and sell another company's goods or services for a commission through affiliate marketing schemes. Online sales are necessary for affiliate marketers to succeed. Promote only the goods that are most compatible with your target market. Make interesting movies that showcase affiliate items, highlighting their benefits and why you advise buying them. To attract purchases inspired by your account, share affiliate links or codes with brands you like and trust. The brand will compensate you for any sales made by followers who use the offered link or promo code. TikTok prohibits personal accounts from including clickable links in the descriptions of videos. However, you can request that followers copy and paste links into their browsers or input unique codes when purchasing. You may make a free web page with affiliate links and information about the products being pushed using websites like Beacons. You can include a link in your bio if you have a business account. 5. Grow and sell TikTok accounts. It could take weeks for a TikTok account to flourish organically. However, if you want a quick spike in followers, you can purchase an established history. Creators who want to sell their TikTok accounts should concentrate on specific subjects that the buyer can support. This will make it simpler for the buyer to publish related information and keep followers interested. Brands who are thinking of purchasing an established account should do their research. If an account has plenty of followers but poor engagement, it cannot yield the desired results. Make sure the content is consistent with your brand and goals and that the account serves the demographic you are trying to reach. Platforms like 123x, Ukfarm, and FameSwap offer active follower accounts for sale to brands. 6. Publish sponsored posts. Brands can sponsor posts immediately shown on creators' accounts for smaller activations. These campaigns let businesses pay content creators to promote their products in organic postings, like creator collaborations. Create a series or sponsor specific posts. You can elevate the position to increase its reach further if it begins to trend. 7. Create a Patreon account. With a Patreon account, authors may charge their followers for subscriptions that grant them unique access to their work. Promote membership signups on TikTok. Try to keep your subscription prices reasonable to encourage subscribers and entice new ones. One example is giving your most devoted fans free goods or access to certain content. If you want to make it simple for viewers to subscribe whenever they are ready, include a link to your Patreon website in your videos or bio. 8. Sell your products and merchandise. It's all about the merchandise. This tried and true method also works with TikTok. Make merchandise from original phrases, artwork, or your brand's emblem and advertise it on TikTok. Use tutorials to highlight your current products or display them alongside popular trends. If you are unclear about what to sell, pay attention to your audience. To find out what they might purchase, create polls or ask them directly. Create an e-commerce website to handle sales transactions if you have a personal account, and advertise it on TikTok. Encourage your viewers to check out your products by mentioning the shop in your videos. You can link services like Shopify, BigCommerce, Square Online, and Ecwid Store to your account if you have a TikTok business account. 9. Set up a TikTok shop. To introduce the TikTok shopping service, TikTok teamed up with Shopify. Brands and creators can set up shop as authorized TikTok merchants and make sales within the app. You can display products on in-feed videos, lives, and product showcase tabs by setting up a TikTok shop. You can register as a seller in the TikTok Seller Center if qualified for this function. From there, you can manage your inventory, orders, creative collaborations, promotions, and more. The Selling Center, however, is only accessible in a few places. 10. Join the TikTok Creator Fund. Through the TikTok Creator Fund, those who have creator accounts can make money off of their profiles. Before being accepted into the program and getting payments from the platform, creators must meet a few requirements. Members of the Creator Fund get compensated according to how many people interact with their material. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.